Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Olive Garden potato soup. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. Then, we'll prepare the bacon and vegetables, setting the foundation for a delicious meal. Finally, I'll guide you through each step to create a wonderfully creamy and flavorful potato soup that tastes just like your favorite restaurant dish. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll want to cook about 8 slices of bacon until they're perfectly crispy, then set them aside to crumble later. Next, in the same pot, sauté 1 cup of diced yellow onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant. This aromatic base is crucial for flavor. Then, pour in 4 cups of chicken broth and add 2 pounds of peeled and diced potatoes, ready for simmering. Now let's get that soup simmering. Allow the diced potatoes to cook in the chicken broth until they are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 minutes. Once tender, mash approximately 1/3 of the potatoes directly in the pot. This natural mashing helps thicken the soup beautifully. Then, gradually stir in 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, creating a smooth roux that will give our soup its signature creamy texture. For the grand finale, let's make this soup wonderfully creamy. Gently stir in 2 cups of rich heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk, warming it through without boiling. Now, it's time to season to perfection with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, ladle your delicious potato soup into bowls and garnish generously with the crispy crumbled bacon, shredded cheddar cheese, and fresh green onions. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.